In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the Undo Send feature in Microsoft Outlook so you can cancel an email shortly after sending it. This is a very useful option if you often notice mistakes right after hitting send, such as missing attachments, wrong wording, or sending to the wrong recipient. To begin, open your Outlook on Windows computer. Once you are inside your mailbox, you will see your inbox and email list on the screen. Next, look at the top right corner of the page and click the Settings icon. This will open a quick settings panel on the right side of your screen. Once the full settings page is open, navigate to the Mail section. Under Mail, click on Compose and Reply. This is where Outlook allows you to control how emails behave when you send, reply, or forward messages. Now scroll down until you find the section labeled Undo Send. This feature gives you a short time window after sending an email where Outlook delays the actual delivery. You will see a slider that allows you to choose the cancellation delay time. Set the timer to your preferred duration, such as a few seconds, so you have enough time to undo a message if you notice a mistake. After adjusting the setting, simply close the Settings tab. Outlook will automatically save your changes, so there is no need to click any Save button. From this point forward, every time you send an email, Outlook will briefly hold it for the selected duration before actually delivering it to the recipient. When you send an email, you will notice an Undo option appear briefly at the bottom of the screen. If you click it within the allowed time, the email will be stopped and returned to your drafts, allowing you to make corrections before sending it again. This feature is especially helpful in preventing common email mistakes and gives you a small safety window to double-check your messages after sending. It adds an extra layer of control and helps make your email communication more reliable and professional. And that's it. You've successfully set up the Undo Send feature in Microsoft Outlook. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.